Draw a big round body. Add a long neck and a big head. Add big sharp teeth. Add a long swishy tail. Give it 4 chunky legs and feet. Add bumpy plates along its back. Finish with an eye and spots. Now color it all in. Now the next color. Yay! All done!